Today's class is on how I was able to take this gold trade that gave me 1:5 risk to reward ratio. Alright, so this is a good trade. Always, I will show you the before of this trade. So this is a trade here. This is a trade here. Alright, so this is a good trade here. As you can see, this is a good trade here. So one thing I did that gave me, normally I'm supposed to cover all these candles or the border of this candle that causes the breaker or the breaker block candles. I'm supposed to cover it, but I will tell you why I was able to get 1:5 risk to reward on that trade, because it's supposed to 1:3 risk to reward. So alright, so this is a trade on gold. So gold was bearish, trying to sell to clear out this trendline liquidity, the liquidity that begins from here, this trendline liquidity. So gold was selling to clear out this trendline liquidity here. So I already know that gold is bearish and is selling to clear out a liquidity zone. Alright, so now I've already gotten my, I know that okay, market initially gold was trending up, creating a series of higher highs and higher lows. It gave a market structure shift, gave an inducement, come and trigger this point of interest here. It gave a market structure shift here, then gave an inducement. This was the last low. So this is it. Gold was trending up, creating a series of higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher high, higher lows, and this is the last high. And then this is the last low. Alright. So let me zoom it. So gold took out this zone, giving us a market structure shift. After it gave us a market structure shift, it created an inducement. So you can either mark this as a valid inducement, or you can mark this as a valid inducement. Whichever way, you are still correct. Alright, so but I mark this as my valid inducement. So this is my inducement. After my inducement, this zone here got mitigated. This zone here was mitigated, and this breaker block was mitigated. So the only point of interest I have left was this one here. That's why market came and tapped on it. So cover the body. Excuse me. This is bullish. Yes. So as market is trending down, I was observing the pattern the market was on, and I was waiting for a double break structure to take this trade. Alright, so market gave me a double break structure when it take out this zone, and then took out this zone as well. After that, I got my inducement, which is the first value pullbacks, and after I got my inducement, I have 2 points of interest, or about 3 points of interest. I have this breaker here, I have this other block here, and also I have this other block here. Alright, so after market reverse to come and trigger my point of interest, I was supposed to cover the whole of this other block, because this is the point of interest that is closest to my inducement according to the rules in picking a proper point of interest. So I was waiting for confirmation. When market pulled back to this zone, when market pulled back to this breaker block, I was waiting for my confirmation, and then when I got the confirmation I was looking for, and I entered this trade from this zone. That is why I see that gold sell from here, and then my profit target, originally I was supposed to extend in more than this, but since I have 1:5 I'm satisfied with that. That was why I exit the trade from this zone. This 1:5 risk to reward. You can see the before of that trade. So if you are new to the channel, you try and subscribe to the channel, comment, like, share this video, refer your friend to this video as well. Also, I offer a mentorship program where I took my time to explain the principle behind this strategy. You can see if I want to explain everything that happens on the chart, the video might be too long. So on my mentorship program, I have the time to explain in detail. You can see I'm taking a buy and also taking a sell. All right, I'm taking a buy and also taking a sell. I will teach you how you can be able to do that. Normally based on the bias on gold is bearish. I should be looking for only sell, but there's a deeper knowledge that you can have that you might not only wait for sell setup, you can also take a buy. That is why you can see this is the current trend. This is the current trade that I'm on, and I can show you the before of this trade. This is a 3-hour setup. All right, so if you are new to the channel, you can subscribe. For mentorship program, I don't charge much for now. I don't charge much. I only charge just little token, but very soon I'm going to increase the price. So take the opportunity and pay for mentorship. That is where you will learn fast and save yourself some time. All right, so this was good setup on 3 hours. I send this trade to someone who pay for signal, and the trade is on profit. This 3-hour setup. All right, so on the 3-hour, I discovered that market gave me a double break of structure. Market gave me a double break of structure when it took out this zone here. These are not candles, these are zones. When market took out this zone here, market, so I'll go to 1 hour, you see it, and then it took out this zone as well. All right, so let me switch to 1 hour. You can see on the 1 hour's time frame, these zones are existing on their own. Took out this zone, gave me a multiple break of structure because this zone also was taken out by this bullish candle. After that, you can see, after that I have this point of interest, and I also have this point of interest. So I switch to my 3 hours time frame. So on my 3 hours time frame, I discovered that there is an order block here, and order block is where institutions carry out their transaction. Institutions that trade in billions of dollars, that's where they carry out the transaction. So as gold was buying, it started retracing. I know that gold is retracing to this order block. That was why my setup was from this order block. Market sell and tap on the order block, and is buying, right? And is buying. So from this, my TP is supposed to clear this high here, but I extend it above it. Reason being that there is a trend and liquidity on the 4 hours time frame that gold is going to clear, but based on the market condition now, gold might not. Look at it. There's trend and liquidity on the 4 hours time frame that gold is supposed to clear before it starts selling or it continue to buy. So based on my setup, when market gets to that zone, I'm going to move my SL to that zone. If you keep buying to hit my TP, you stop buying, I lose nothing. All right, so This is a setup on gold based on my analysis, and the trade is currently running. Alright, so trading is simple. Keep it simple. Don't stress yourself. Allow the market to present the strategy that you trade, and then you execute. That is all. Market present what you want, you execute. Alright, so this will be the end of the class. Don't forget to message me for mentorship. That is the price that you have to pay. I have full time for my students. Alright, so I'm expecting gold to, you can see gold is gathering some buying momentum to go and clear that zone, and this one is to 7 risk to reward. Alright, I don't trade anything below 1:3 risk to reward ratio. So this is it. Even if market stop from this zone, that's already giving me my risk to reward. So this one is to 7 risk to reward ratio that I'm currently waiting for to play out. Alright, so let me show you the before of this trade quickly before the video comes to an end. So this is the before of this video. This is a trade here on gold. So you can see, like I said, it's a 3-hour setup. It's a 3-hour setup. It's good. It's a 3-hour setup from this other block. So have a beautiful weekend.